Hi sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Felicia and thank you for stopping by.
We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah.
So we're going to be continuing my fall decorating series, and this is going to be part 3. And I'm so excited to bring to you guys my hot chocolate / coffee bar station. Now, for those of you that have been following me for some time, you know that I keep up my bar station year round, and I enjoy decorating it out seasonally. So of course I've got to decorate it for fall, right? And I know some of you have mentioned that you just don't have the space and you can't put one up, but I'm gonna make you fall in love with this idea. Now, like I've mentioned before in my videos, all you really need is a flat surface that can be a table, that can be a cart, that can be a counter space, and an outlet or an extension cord, and some kind of coffee making machine. That can be a Keurig, that can be a Mr. Coffee, but I'm gonna make you fall in love with this idea. And and you're gonna thank me later, because my family and friends really enjoyed this hot chocolate coffee bar station, and it is a total experience within itself. Great family bonding time. It's just an experience, and I want you to have that experience too. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, you guys, these are the items that I have gathered I'm going to be adding to the hot chocolate / coffee bar. And I try to get snacks and toppings that I know my family and friends will love. And so I have these Kisses, Hershey Kisses with milk chocolate and almonds. My husband and I love these. I also have the Stouffer's animal crackers. These were a hit this year, so I bought them back. I always try to have those on the bar because they're low in sugar. I also have these yogurt covered pretzels. These are a hit in the family. And vanilla wafers, so we're going to be adding those this year. And of course I have some of my toppings, ingredients. I've got my brown sugar that I like to use. I have my Nestle's milk chocolate morsels, of course some marshmallows, and I also bought this bag of candy corn. I just went ahead and bought a large bag, and I think that is everything that I have, so we can get started. Now, this is the bar station area here, and I have cleaned everything off. Everything's been sanitized. I am going to keep my nightlight there, my crystal nightlight. I love that being over there. It creates a certain mood. And so I'm debating right now whether I am going to add back my white Keurig or switch over to the black one. So we'll see. So it looks like I decided to use my black Keurig. So we're going to start adding in the other elements, the foundational pieces, and then we'll start adding in all those beautiful, colorful accents. So I'm going to go ahead and add this metal sign back, and I'm just going to place it right over here, so that if there's someone coming to my home for the very first time, they will see this sign and know that there's something about coffee is going on over here on my side of the kitchen. So now I've added in all my foundational pieces. As you can see here, I have my marble cutting boards, and I have this marble stand, as well as this little glass candle holder. So now we're going to start layering these pieces. So we're going to take these either pumpkins or gourds, glass jars here, and we're going to fill them with our snacks. And I'm going to place them on this tray in the back over there. all my jars with my vanilla wafers, my yogurt covered pretzels, and my chocolate animal crackers. And I'm going to go ahead now and set them on this tray in the back. So now I am going to take these adorable little jars and I'm going to fill them with our different toppings. So now I fill these smaller jars here, and as you can see, I have my marshmallows. I took my Hershey's Kisses and put in this one, and I decided to use my brown sugar in the third one here. So now I'm just going to place these in place as well. So up next, I am going to be adding this sign, pick your own pumpkins, in the back of all the goodies. I'm also going to be adding these signs onto the bar as well. Up next, we're going to take these adorable mugs and add these to the bar as well. I'm also going to add this pumpkin mug, and I'm going to place this right on my Keurig stand in the back. Just like that. Up next, I'm going to add in this canister, and I've placed my Keurig K-cups in here, and I'm just going to add this in the corner of the bar and set it right there. Because after all, this is a pumpkin patch, right? So now I'm just showing you that I went ahead and added in another jar because I wanted some candy corn on this bar because I actually do like candy corn. And now this one doesn't have a pumpkin design on it. It has the leaf design, but that's okay. And so we're going to just start adding in some additional accents to this hot chocolate / coffee bar. And I'm going to give you a final reveal. I'm going to add these little adorable pumpkins onto the bar as well. Oops, lost that one. And these are from Hobby Lobby. They're not new, but Hobby Lobby brings them back, I think, every year. So they should be easy to find. So I'm going to add these in. So this is what they look like. I've added a few of those pumpkins in. And I've also added this coordinating spoon rest that's just like the canister that I have on the other side. So now I'm just going to give you a final reveal.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure, I know when I don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the wind.
Today I'm going to be trying out this recipe. This is a 2-ingredient pumpkin muffins, and I'm just showing you quickly the items that I'm going to be using. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spice cake mix, and the twist is I'm just going to add some pumpkin mix into the batter. But of course you're going to make the spice cake mix just like you would make if you was making an actual cake. And you're going to put those regular ingredients in, and you just add in the pumpkin. So I'm hand mixing all these ingredients, and I decided to take all my wet ingredients and mix them first because I was too lazy to take out the the electric mixer today. You want to make sure that you mix all your ingredients until everything is blended well together and it's nice and smooth. Also, these cupcake liners, I purchased them from the Dollar Tree. I don't recommend them because they're very thin, and one of my pans, the liner actually ripped when I tried to take out the cupcake. So it depends on what kind of cupcake pan that you're going to be using. So here I'm just briefly cleaning up the spills on this pan, and I'm going to add them into the oven. Look, they're looking good, you guys. They're browning right on up. So this is how my muffins turned out. And I will say that I should have tasted my batter first before I baked them, because when you add the pumpkin mix, it's just straight pumpkin, and it's not as sweet, maybe because I'm a sweet tooth, so you may have to add some additional sugar and some pumpkin spice to give it that, I don't know, that pure authentic taste that you're looking for. But otherwise they were good. So when I did the second batch, I did add more sugar and I added some pumpkin spice to the ingredients, and I could tell the difference. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some frosting on these and decorate them all cute for the fall holiday. Much fun spending this time with you, and if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up because that really helps my channel out. And if you're new and you would like to see more of Felicia by the Seasons, just click that subscribe button and welcome new friend to this growing family. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye guys.